Hi, I'm Kevin Lehner. I'm one of the developers and admins at CorrectTrack.com, and we've created a series of videos to help users get a good quick start on how to use CorrectTrack, how to use it effectively, how to use it with teams. It's kind of like the video version of a user manual. There's also a user manual that is in a published form, PDF form, that you can access through the resources section of the CorrectTrack app. But this is a kind of a video, so let's get started here. In this video, you will learn how to log into the CorrectTrack app, how to recover your username, and reset your password. You will also learn about the different views CorrectTrack offers and how to create a new tab. Navigate to app.correcttrack.com. Enter your username, which is likely your email address, and password as assigned by your CorrectTrack admin or team leader. If you forgot your password and would like to reset it, follow the link at the bottom of the login screen. CorrectTrack has options for how tasks and task lists can be viewed. Let's look at some of these. After login, you will see the task list display showing all tasks that you have permission to view. Clicking on the task description takes you to the task detail view. Use the scroll bar to view all of the task information. Scroll back to the top of the page and click on the Tasks tab to return to the task list view. Let's talk about how to add a new task to CorrectTrack. You will notice that there is nowhere to add a new task. That's because we are logged on as an assignee, and she does not have permissions in CorrectTrack to add new tasks. Let's log off and log back on as an auditor and see what happens. You'll notice that the Add New Task button is now visible. Click on the Add New Task button to create a new task in CorrectTrack. Congratulations! You've now created a new task. In the next video, we will talk about each of the fields in a new task and how to customize them.